Hi, today let's make tasty orange salad. First, let's make our dressing. In a bowl, I'm adding in some honey. Next, I'll be adding in some light soy sauce. I'll be adding in some chopped green chilies, chopped garlic, and then give all of this a very good mix. See to that our each and every ingredients is mixed beautifully, and our dressing is ready. Now, in a bowl, I've taken a mixing bowl. I've added in some fresh oranges. If you want, you can chop the oranges as well. I like it like this. I'm adding in some chopped mint leaves, chopped coriander leaves. I'll season it up with some salt. If you want, you can crack in some pepper as well. I'm adding in some sliced onions. You can play around the veggies. If you want any veggies, you can add in as well. Next, I'm adding in the dressing which I've made. Mix it really very well, and then finally you can plate your orange salad. And finally what you can do is garnish it with some toasted cashew nuts. You can toast it and then make it into small pieces like this and garnish it. If you want, you can add in sesame seeds as well. It gives a beautiful nutty flavor, and our orange salad is ready. This is a spicy, tangy, sweet, salty kind of summer salad. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.